back to my channel. So tonight is just going to be you, me, and Adumi. Muhammad is having iftar with his friends. He's been craving sushi, no lie, since before Ramadan started. This poor man has been wanting to have sushi, and personally, I don't like it. I know. It's crazy. Everyone I know loves sushi. I think I'm the only person in this world who doesn't. But not only that, guys, I don't like seafood. Muhammad enjoys eating it when he's out with his friends because he's like, Omaya, it's not a vibe if we go out to a restaurant, I'm ordering sushi and you're not eating it. So Haram, he's always waiting to eat it when he's out with his friends. So I'm really happy for him. And like I said, tonight's just gonna be you guys and us. And I'll be making one of my favorite childhood Middle Eastern meals. Molokhia. So many people confuse molokhia for spinach. It looks similar to it, but it's actually made out of jute plants. And basically you eat it with rice and chicken, and then at the end you just put some lemon on top, and it's just so yummy and delicious. Adam, can you say hi? Can you say hi? Yeah, say hi to the camera. Hola. Hola. Okay, something... Mama. So something else I wanted to mention is that depending on where you're from or where you're having molokhia, you'll notice that it is cooked slightly different in different countries. So for example, my dad is Palestinian, and the way that my dad's family cooks molokhia is with chicken. Now that's the only way that I grew up eating it, but when I went to Egypt for the very first time, I remember having molokhia with rabbit. Now I had no idea it was rabbit, and right before I was going to take the first bite, Muhammad let me know that, hey Omaya, just because I know you're picky, letting you know you're about to eat rabbit. So just letting you know, different countries cook it differently. Right, Adumi? Pero nosotros comemos con pollo. Sí, con pollo. ¿Puedes decir pollo? Adam, di pollo. 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 ¿Te parece gracioso? Di pollo. 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 Mi pollo. You gonna let mommy cook? ¿Sí? ¿Me vas a dejar cocinar? Molokhia tends to be very slimy. I'll be chopping some onion as well as lots of garlic. Now, I know some people like to be stingy with the garlic, but I personally love the taste of garlic. The more, the better. Now, I'm not going to use all of these, but 5 cloves or 6. I like to cut my onions very small. I don't like when you're eating a soup and you see a long piece of onion. It bothers me. I put some oil and the chopped onions in the pan. I'm gonna wait until it's translucent, and then I'll be adding garlic. I'm adding my molokhia to the boiling broth. To season the molokhia, I like to add salt and pepper and 1 Maggi. Okay, so as you can see, I made a very small amount just for Adam and I. ¿Qué pasó, mi vida? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Tienes hambre? Okay, so I'm going to let the molokhia boil for about 5 to 10 minutes as I get started with the rice. Molokhia is done and the rice is cooking, and now I'm going to get started with all the dishes that piled up. Ahí voy, mi amor. Ahí voy, mi corazón hermoso. Ahí voy, mi corazón precioso. Mira, ya la comida está lista. La comida está lista. Ya no falta casi nada. Ya no falta casi nada, mi amor, ¿ok? Ahí voy. Mi corazón de melón. Te quiero yo. Mi corazón de melón. It's done, guys. By the way, Adam is obsessed with molokhia, like obsessed. He can eat this all day long, today, tomorrow, and the day after. He loves it. The excitement that he gets when he eats this is beautiful. I'm going to shred his chicken to make it easier for him to eat. And you know what? This chicken is so soft. I'm going to do the same for myself. Dumi, vamos a comer, papi. Te voy a poner aquí al lado mío, ¿ok? Al lado de mami. Mua. Oh, ¿tienes hambre? Mamá, te tengo que buscar agua. Bismillah. It tastes good. It tastes good, Dumi. It tastes good. Yay! You like it? Yay! All right, so I put Adam to sleep, and then Muhammad called saying he's on his way home. So I'm going to make some coffee for myself and hang out until he gets here. I'm running low on sugar. Put you right here. Do you like it there, bestie? Is that cool? Okay. You know, sometimes I feel like the smell of coffee is better than coffee. Does that make sense? Like just the smell. Like it's just something about the smell of coffee that just does it for me. So we're trying to be healthy in this house, so that's what we're using, brown sugar. Let's ignore that I had a cupcake yesterday. That never happened. So hot. You know, something I wanted to talk to you guys about, and this goes out to all the moms who know all the things about the babies, about the milk, about all of that. I need your help. So I don't know how many of you follow me on Instagram, but I've recently shared that I've been trying to wean Adam off of my his pediatrician said that he is now able to have whole milk, which I said, okay, this is perfect timing because I'm exhausted from breastfeeding. It's a lot of work, and Adam is like, mashallah, super attached. And sometimes when we're out, it's not cute. It's not cute where he's like pulling on me. I'm not trying to do that. So mashallah, he's healthy, he's big, and now that he's eating solids, I feel a lot more comfortable with weaning him off. And so that's the struggle. Weaning him off right now is really hard. I've dropped a couple feedings, and I've been able to distract him by giving him snacks and fruits and like just food in general. But when it comes to nighttime, he needs it so bad that it's just so hard, honestly. So I don't know what to do. I've given him different brands of milk. Some of them he likes more than others, but the problem is that he is not able to fully like indulge in it because of the bottle. Adam hates, and I mean hates, bottles with a passion. I've tried giving him sippy cups. I've tried giving him bottles with a straw. I've tried giving him regular bottles. Like I've tried. I have exhausted all the options, and he's just not liking it. I'm asking all the moms out there to please help me out, advise me, tell me what to do, how to do it, what to buy, because at this point, I'm desperate. I just feel like it's time. It's time to say goodbye because I am so tired. And although I know Islamically it's sunnah to give him until 2 years old, trust me, I wish I could, but it's hard. It's so hard, and I miss me. Like I miss me a lot, and I just feel like this is just going to be good for him and for myself. So again, help me out, sis, please.